excuse me, señorita. By the way, I lost my way and I'm looking for a restaurante. Would you please tell me where? Come again? By the way, this is my first time here in Cebu City. I'm looking. I'm here only for vacation. Yeah. By the way, I want to go to SMC side. Could you please tell me where? Come again. Wait. Excuse me, ¿puedes repetir do apintar, señorita? You speak slowly because this is my first time. Yeah. By the way, I'm Espanyol, señorita. Hablo un poco, por favor. Yeah. What is? By the way, excuse me, no. By the way, where is SMC side here?
You go there, you're here, you're there.
Baby, how many minutes there? How many minutes there?
20.
1 hour?
No.
Okay.
25 minutes.
What is your famous food there? Famous food. Famous food there.
Famous food here.
You are famous? Come again?
Famous food here.
Jalebi.
So my brain is not braining because of you. My brain is out.
Ato na ko ha. Shout out be.
Shout out to mama.
Shout out. Outdone. Sunod na lang. Ipalo niya ko ninyo. Okay na.
Hindi po sa kami.
Balik. Shout out.
Shout out sa prospect.
Shout out din. Okay na.